Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create tags in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create tags into your ClickUp, you just simply have to open any of your browsers at first, and after opening the browser, just simply open the site of app.clickup.com. Then this homepage will appear into your desktop. Now you just simply have to select any of the tasks to create the tag, and after that this option will appear into here. Just simply tap into this option and then it will say search or create new tag. Just simply tap into that option and then type comma into here in order to create a new tag. And after doing this, you can make as many tags as you want into here. Just simply enter the tags that you want and then your tags will successfully be created into ClickUp. By following these very easy steps, you can also easily create tags into ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.